Hello friends, welcome to my cooking palette. Today let's see how to make Paneer Butter Masala. We need 200 grams paneer, 2 onion finely sliced, 1 tomato finely chopped, dry red chillies 3 to 4, cashews, garlic 4 to 5 cloves, coriander leaves, Kashmiri chilli powder 1 teaspoon, Garam Masala 1 teaspoon, dried fenugreek leaves 1 teaspoon, yogurt 2 tablespoons, butter 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, sugar 1 teaspoon. To make the gravy, heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter, garlic, onion, now close the lid and let it cook for 6 to 7 minutes in medium flame. Once the onions are cooked, add dry red chillies, tomato, and cashews. Let it cook. Once it's cooked, turn off the stove and let it cool in room temperature. Now grind the mixture to a fine paste in a mixer blender. The gravy for Paneer Butter Masala is ready now. Now heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter. Now add 200 grams of paneer to it. Add Kashmiri chilli powder. Let the paneer cook for 4 to 5 minutes in low flame. Now add the gravy we had prepared. Add salt, dried fenugreek leaves, coriander leaves, and garam masala. Mix it well. Now close the lid and let it cook for 6 to 7 minutes in low flame. Once it's cooked, add little water to the gravy, sugar, and yogurt. Mix everything well and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Paneer Butter Masala is ready to be served now. Please try it and let us know if you like it. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.